Hey y'all, in today's video I'm going to be making a pot roast. So I hope you enjoy. And if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. For this recipe, you'll need one roast. I'm using a chuck roast. One stick of butter. 1 tablespoon of seasoning salt. 1.5 tablespoons of garlic salt. And 1.5 tablespoons of Tony's. And then I would say for the peppers, they're pepperoncinos, as much or as little as you like, depending on your spice palette. So first, I'm gonna grab this roast, and I'm gonna get a really big pan and just sear the outside of it at a high temperature. So let's turn this up to high. So once your pan is hot, you're gonna grab the roast and you're gonna put it in and you're gonna cook every side as quick as you can. Now, this is gonna be hard flipping it. If you don't want to do this, you can leave this part out, but I like to do it. So we flipped it on its other side and we're doing the back. And then we're going to do this side and then the other side. And then I'm going to turn it on either side to do it on either side. So after you've done that, you're going to put it in your pan. Try and lay it down a little. And then I'm going to throw in the pepperoncinis. Then throw in the seasonings. And then add the stick of butter. This actually is really easy. Most of the cooking time is waiting, not actually cooking. Let's see, throw the butter in on top of everything. Then you're gonna put the lid on. And you're gonna turn it on. I'm gonna do it low. You can do it high if you've got like 4 hours. It's 10 o'clock, so I have quite a long time before dinner. So I'm gonna put it on low and let it cook until dinner time. I'm gonna start the rice when there's like 25 minutes left. Here's the roast, coming along looking good. So I'm gonna start some rice in the rice cooker. Here's the finished product.